The next form is the slope-intercept form. In this form, the slope of the line is given and the y-intercept specifically will be given. So if the slope m and the y-intercept, so y-intercept means the point where the line cuts y-axis, and the distance is called the y-intercept. So if the y-intercept is given as c, that means this line meets y-axis at a distance of c units from origin, and the slope of this line is m. What is the equation of this line? Again, a very straightforward question. This is same as slope and y-intercept c means that the line passes through the point 0, c, right? Indirectly, a point and a slope is given, so we can directly use our point slope form. So what is the equation? Y minus y1, y minus c is equal to m times x minus 0. This implies y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of line in slope-intercept form, where m is the slope of the line, c is the y-intercept. Keep this in mind. Whenever if the line is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, c will be the y-intercept of the line. For example, if the slope of the line is equal to 2 and the y-intercept of the line is equal to 5, so directly you can write the equation as y is equal to 2x plus 5. As simple as this. Thank you.